finally Merseyrail have got them out of the box. These are the new trains, they've had them for about 2 years now. They're still not doing passengers, so I'm not sure what's going on here. I've just got off that train and seen this, so I thought I'd record it for you guys. Anyway, I'll just have a walk down and show you what it's like on the inside. Seems quite spacious. I'm not sure if my camera's picking this up, but the seats seem a bit thin. Is the doors like you get on other trains where you press the button to open, but I'm not sure if a ramp comes out or not, because you can see how big the gap is in between the platform. But yeah, on the inside, I don't know if you can tell, it's got all the times and stations, so if you can pick that up, guys. Yeah, carry on going down. Well, it's got some nice slots here, can you see them, for people's bikes, so that's quite cool. It's got the in-between bits there, so there's no more doors. Well, if you can see, let me see, as you can see there, well, at least you know where it's going. All the cars seem to be the same after a while. You have to excuse me, people, I'm full of cold at the moment. Have you noticed? Coat hooks. It's either a coat hook or a window blind. Window blind, I should say. But yeah, I think it's more coat hooks. Some staff there discussing whatever about the trains. The discussion, should we get them out and let people play with them? Nah, we should make them wait another few years. Anyway, I'm going to go anyway because it's just getting the same. As you can see, as I mentioned before, the coat hangers. But I'm just going to leave it there, guys.